my name's Lauren Helbling, and I am in Miss Bird's 5th period, and I was assigned Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law formula is pressure 1 over temperature 1 equals pressure 2 over temperature 2. That's what the P and the T stand for, and it has a direct relationship. So I filled this plate with water, and we'll add some coloring so that you can see it. Dyed our water, we're going to place 2 little tea light candles right in the middle of it. Now we can see with our cup on top of the candles, there isn't any water inside, and the water obviously moved out of the way. But when we light the candles on fire, we'll place the cup over them. See the water rising? And that right there is a real world example of Gay-Lussac's law. How the water went into the cup magically. Now that you've seen an example of Gay-Lussac's law in the real world, now we can work out a word problem. Yay! So here's my word problem. An unopened bag of chips was left outside during a Texas summer day. In the morning, the temperature was 23.7 degrees Celsius, and the air pressure inside the bag was 5.0. As the day got hotter, the temperature rose to 41.9 degrees Celsius, and the bag of chips exploded. What was the pressure in the bag of chips right before they exploded? The first step is to write down the law. So it's P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. Next, we will identify our variables. So our first variable is the temperature of 23.7 degrees Celsius, so that's T1. And then air pressure, 5.0, that's P1. And then as the day got hotter, the temperature rose to 41.9 degrees Celsius, and that's T2. And we're looking for pressure, so that's going to be P2. So with our temperatures, we have to convert it to Kelvin. And Kelvin equals the degrees Celsius plus 273. So we have 23.7 plus 273, and then we have 41.9 plus 273. Our new T1, 296.7 Kelvin, and our T2, 314.9 Kelvin. So let's put this into the formula. So first we have P1, which is 5.0, and then we have T1, which is now 296.7 Kelvin, equals P2, which we are trying to solve for, over 314.9 Kelvin. So now what we do, I cross multiply, so that would be 5.0 times 314.9 equals 296.7 times P2. So we're trying to get P2 by itself because we're trying to solve for it. So we're going to divide this by 296.7, and we have to do the same to the other side because that's just how math works. So after multiplying these two variables and then dividing by this one, we will get 5.3 equals P2. So in all, it would be 5.3 ATM equals P2. And that would be your answer right there. That right there was Gay-Lussac's law. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.